Our manufacturing MOQ is we made it based on fabric roll, which is equivalent to about 150 for polos or t-shirt. So Tanos, we are manufacturers in Vietnam, and also we distribute for startup and like business here who want to work in the fashion industry. So we have two ways of cooperate with customers. The first way is that we make available products like a prototype for people to put on the logos and embroidery it on. And the second way is the customer, they have their own design and their dream products that they want to make into reality. So we can approach and consult them on how to make that. So far, we have years of optimizations. So we has been working on a lot to expand the market for domestic market. 2 years now, we has been working a lot with international customers as well. So we are moving forward from domestic market to international market at the moment. So our main specialized products would be polo, t-shirt, hoodies, joggers, and sweaters. That is the most products that we are making now. So our MOQ is just 5 products.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. And from that 5 products, you can choose whatever.
Sure.
You don't have to choose 5 products all the same colors. You can choose whatever.
I see.
In our catalog.
Okay, so we could do for example, a hat, a polo, a vest kind of thing. Okay, got you. Okay.
So we can go just 5 products to start, and we just put your logos on, whether it's heat press or whether it's embroideries, we can do for you to test it on. So if it is looking good, or if you want to change the design, we can support that. Our manufacturing MOQ is we made it based on fabric roll, which is equivalent to about 150 for polos or t-shirt. So if you have your idea and you want us to make it for you, just contact us through our website, tanos.vn, and we can start from there. You can send us design and then we just handle the rest.